An agent ran for an hour, reported success, and shipped the wrong number. It didn't crash. It didn't warn anyone. It just kept going, which is exactly what a loop is built to do. That's the gap this book is built to close, between a loop that keeps going and a loop you can actually trust. The brand new 11th edition adds the chapter readers have been asking for: the 4 structural walls every loop hits, no matter how good your model is, and the 4 properties that fix them. You'll see it proven with real, runnable code, the same flaky task, the same seed, 1 wrong answer, and 1 exact one, from nothing but the structure around the model. From your first automation to a full graph harness, this book walks you through every building block: triggers, memory, checkers, cost control, in plain language you can put to work today. If you're serious about building agents that don't just run but actually earn your trust, this is the book. Click the link in the description to grab your copy and use code AIFactory at checkout for 20% off.